Everybody is worried about the problem of corona. Everybody is worried about the availability of beds. Everybody, they are worried about the availability of appropriate drugs. Everybody, they are worried. But nobody is worried about the problem of children. I'm not talking about the corona problem in children. I'm talking about the corona problem amongst children. Because of corona, it is lockdown. There is lockdown. The people are not in a position to go out freely. Only certain time is allocated. It was up to say 6 to 10 o'clock. Now it is extended from 6 to 12 o'clock, like that. The people will be in a hurry. Nobody is following this social distance or mask. They wear the mask this way, covering only the mouth. The nose is completely exposed, and they cough, they sneeze, and they don't use the sanitizer. They are ignorant regarding the safety measures. And then the children, especially the young children, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, the father and mother, they are working at home. They cannot go out, and they are very busy. They are sitting in front of the laptop or sitting in front of the computer, and then no time to cook also, and the servant is not in a position to come. This problem, and then they are not in a position to talk to the children. Only one child. How old is the child? 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years. Very pretty child. And the parents, they cannot spend time with the child. And the child is not permitted to go out and to play with the children. Child cannot go out to the just in front of the house or to the street, and they cannot play in the street. So much restriction. And these children, they are suffering from mild depression. And the child aged about say 2 years cannot say, Papa, I am suffering from depression. There is nothing like that, and they are suffering. And what is the solution for this? Let the parents mother spending little time with the child. Let them play, father playing with the child for some time. Let them allocate the time, specific time. For example, every day 8 o'clock or every day 7 o'clock, and they have finished the job, log out, and then let them spend little time, the father with the child for about half an hour. Let the father play with the child. Let the father play with, say, carom board or even chowkabara or the chess, whatever it may be, or just hide and seek. The child likes it. Child likes hide and seek very very much. And I have seen the children they like this hide and seek. And then afterwards the mummy let the mummy take over. So let them find some quality time with the children, so that the child will will recover, and child will not, because it will affect as a result of mental tension, as a result of depression, it will affect the different parts of the body. Friends, please spend little time with the children. You do your work sincerely, otherwise you will end up in difficulty. You will face the music by your officer, but afterwards you allocate some time, spend little quality time with the children. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu, sarve jana swasti bhavantu.